Get ready to dive into the world of frozen pizza production. In this video, we'll show you how frozen pizzas are made, from mixing the dough to packaging them up. But did you also know there's a hidden aspect to this process that most people aren't aware of? Stick around until the end to uncover the surprising truth behind how these pizzas are frozen and packaged, and you'll be amazed at what you learn. At the end of the video, you'll also discover some intriguing facts about the world of frozen pizza production. Process. So, imagine you're in a big pizza factory, right? Well, they've got these super cool machines that kick things off. They're called automatic mixers. They mix all the ingredients needed for the dough, flour, yeast, and other stuff, and keep mixing until everything's perfectly blended and the dough is smooth and ready to roll. Once the dough is ready, it travels along conveyor belts to different spots in the factory. At each stop, more automated systems take over. They carefully shape the dough into neat little balls, getting them all ready for the next part of the pizza making process, shaping the base. Once the dough has been prepared and formed into consistent balls, the next step is handling them in large quantities within the factory premises using automatic machines. These machines transport the dough balls to different sections of the factory using an intricate network of conveyor systems and lifts. So, some of these conveyor belts will take the dough balls to places where they can rest for a while. That's where the dough can rise and become more flavorful. But other belts skip the resting spot altogether and take the dough balls straight to where they're automatically pressed into shape. The dough balls undergo precise pressing in the first step of shaping pizza bases. These uniformly sized balls of dough are gently transferred to the pressing station after being divided into portions by the dough divider. At this station, specialized machines apply controlled force to gently but firmly press them into round pizza bases of consistent thickness. This ensures that each base maintains uniformity in size and thickness, which is crucial for maintaining the high quality and consistent appearance of the final product. Shaping dough. Now the step of shaping the dough arrives. Alternatively, the dough can undergo a different process method by being shaped into elongated sheets. In this process, the dough is fed through a series of rolling and cutting machines, each meticulously adjusted for accurate performance. Shaping pizza dough in automatic machines involves processes such as positioning, portioning, pressing, and stretching the dough into uniform rounds, ensuring consistency and efficiency in pizza production. Some machines may incorporate a docking or perforating mechanism to create small holes or indentations in the dough. This helps to prevent air bubbles from forming during baking and ensures a uniform crust texture. Cutting of the dough. Now the next step is to cut the dough accurately. Cutting the dough into desired shapes and size in frozen pizza making machines is a crucial step in production. As dough sheets move along the production line, rotating pressing machines gently press and cut them into the desired shape of pizza bases. This ensures uniform shaping and sizing and maintains consistency. This method provides an efficient alternative to shaping individual dough balls, enabling high volume production while upholding quality standards. By employing this technique, automated factories achieve optimal efficiency without compromising the integrity of the final product, ensuring that each pizza base is perfectly prepared for toppings and subsequent production stages. Advanced machines may incorporate sensors or computerized controls to optimize the cutting process and adjust for variations in dough consistency or thickness. Topping. Moving on to the next step, the automated process transitions seamlessly into the pizza topping phase, following the dough preparation and shaping phase. Advanced technology meticulously dispenses precise amounts of tomato sauce onto each dough round, ensuring an even coating across the surface. Specialized rolling machines then carefully spread and distribute the sauce, guaranteeing thorough coverage and uniformity on every pizza base. Once the sauce is evenly applied, the topping phase continues with the addition of other ingredients such as cheese, meats, and vegetables. Automated systems accurately portion and distribute these toppings according to predetermined recipes, ensuring consistency and quality for each pizza. This precise and efficient method not only streamlines production but also maintains the integrity of the final product, resulting in delicious and visually appealing pizzas ready for the next stage of production. Following the sauce application, the mixed toppings come into play, ranging from savory meats to fresh vegetables. Machines equipped with rotating arms delicately dispense these toppings onto the sauced bases. Each ingredient is precisely measured and distributed to uphold consistency across the production line, ensuring every pizza receives the perfect balance of toppings. Last but not least is the shredded cheese topping, a staple of traditional pizza. Specially designed machines evenly sprinkle a generous layer of shredded cheese atop the assembled pizzas, ensuring every bite is filled with gooey, melty goodness. These machines are finely calibrated to dispense the exact amount of cheese needed for each pizza, guaranteeing uniform coverage and optimal flavor distribution. Freezing. Moving on, for long-term storage or distribution to distant locations, pizzas undergo a freezing process. Usually, this entails placing the packaged pizzas in a blast freezer or tunnel freezer, where they quickly cooled to freezing temperatures. Freezing helps prolong the pizza's shelf life and maintains their quality during transportation and storage. While most frozen pizzas aren't pre-cooked, there are exceptions. In these cases, the pizzas are transferred to large ovens for cooking. These ovens can be conveyor belt style, where pizzas move through continuously. Freezing helps to maintain the texture of the pizza crust, toppings, and cheese. It prevents moisture loss and maintains the integrity of the ingredients, ensuring that the pizza taste is as close to freshly made as possible when reheated. Packaging. Now onto the final and crucial step. Frozen pizzas are transferred onto conveyor belts that transport them to the packaging area. Systems equipped with sensors and controls ensure smooth and continuous movement of the pizzas. The pies are automatically fed into wrapping machines, which use a combination of rollers, heat sealing machines, and cutting devices to wrap each pizza in plastic film or shrink wrap. The plastic film is dispensed from rolls and securely sealed around the pizza to shield it from external contaminants and maintain freshness. For pizzas packaged in cardboard boxes or cartons, automated current erecting machines assemble flat cardboard blanks into fully formed boxes with precision. Sealing machines then securely close and seal the cartons using adhesive tape or hot melt glue. This ensures they are properly sealed to prevent tampering and protect the pizzas during transportation and storage. Additionally, quality control measures are implemented throughout the packaging process to ensure that each pizza meets strict standards for freshness, safety, and presentation. This comprehensive approach guarantees that consumers receive the highest quality pizzas ready to be enjoyed whenever they are served. The production of frozen pizzas is a fascinating process that combines precision technology and efficient automation. From mixing the dough to adding toppings and packaging, each step is carefully executed to ensure consistency and quality in millions of pizzas made daily. Now, in the next video, you'll watch the fascinating story about how chocolate is made.